Hey folks, welcome back. How you doing? Hope you're having an amazing day. So me and Trini are back again. We're in South Wales actually. Come to do some hiking, explore some waterfalls. The place we're at, I'll stick that back there. Yeah, it's another beautiful day. I hope you're having an amazing day. Yeah, we just want to bring you along for the ride and hopefully see some awe-inspiring waterfalls. So yeah, they look pretty good. Let's check them out. What do you think? Trini, when we get to some of these waterfalls, are you gonna get in with Dad for a little dip?
Maybe.
Oh yeah? Maybe? Right. Let's see if we can get wiggly whirling, shall we? What do you think? That's amazing, isn't it? Look at that! Absolutely stunning. So this is the first of the four-fork trail. So yeah, we're on the wrong side to get under the water there. So yeah, I think we'll just head on to the next one and try and find an access point for a dip. See you in a bit. Look at that, Trini, it's amazing, isn't it? See it around there? Quite undulating actually, but the good thing is there's a pathway that seems to link all four of the trail waterfalls. So yeah, a little bit up and down. I'm struggling a little bit, but just taking lots of breaks. Yeah, onwards and upwards. See ya. Here's the next one. Don't know if you can hear me or not, but look at this. Wow. That is absolutely amazing. It's been an absolute trek to get down here, but worth it. Right, I'm going to try and get down there and get in there. See ya. the top of the waterfall we've just shown on the camera. It's quite popular because the weather's so good, but look, yeah, that's the source heading upstream. Whew. Right, I'm going to try and get down to that pool I just pointed out to get the old trunks on and get a dip. Check this out. This is freezing. Oh, oh, absolutely amazing. Oh, look at this. Oh, oh. Trini's getting ready to come in. Get steeper. Woo. Oh. Oh. So that was absolutely freezing, wasn't it, Poppy? How cold was it? Explain.
Think about the coldest thing you've ever felt in your life. Well, think of that and then think of it 10 times more colder than that. And then, yeah.
That's somewhere close, isn't it? So yeah, we've just got dried off and having a banana till we head off to the next one. Right, see you in a bit. So this is the third waterfall, Trini, isn't it? It's like a multi-level one, so it goes right up there. Quite a few people about. Yeah, it's still beautiful.
There's
Multiple layers, isn't it? Sort of cascading down. How beautiful is that? Amazing. Scramble. Well done, Trini. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Woo! Look at that. Now we're a little bit higher up. Whoa! Waterfalls everywhere. Come on, pop it. This is beautiful. Look at this. Too many humans for my liking, but we'll let that slide. Right, these are the steps down to the last one. Let's go. Come on. Is it Trini? Good girl. Keep going.
Machine, what machine?
Whew. You can hear it, Trini, can't you? last one. Let's get it done. Right, we're getting there. It's getting very, very noisy, so we must be close. Oh my word. Look at this. Wow. Go on, Trini. I know. That's encouraging. Go on, keep going. Wow, look at that. So many people here. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Look at this. Oh my word. Go on, keep going, Puppet. Right, let's get behind that bad boy. Go on, keep going. Woohoo. Go on. So we're right under the waterfall. I don't know if you can see it. Look at that. How good is that, Trini? Is it good? Amazing. Wow, what a place. Right, let's head back, find Mum. Not sure if you can hear as well or not, but that's the fourth of the four waterfall trail. It's been an absolutely amazing day. Some beautiful, awe-inspiring scenery. Bit of a trek on the old feet and tough on the legs, but it's been amazing, isn't it, Trini? Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you later. Bye. Oh, trek out's a bit brutal. Can't really tell how steep it is, but it's tough on the old pins. But that's where we've got to go. How you getting on, Trini? She's fine. What a machine. Right, Trini. Just nearly back at the car now. Have you got any final thoughts? Any inspirational words?
Fun.
What do you say, lunch?
Hey Dad, can you look there for 1 sec?
What?
No, I did nothing, seriously.
What did she do?
Yeah, you tell him in the comments.
Right, we'll see you later.
Look that way again.
What is it? What did you do?
Nothing! I went right.
Bye.